sure you can hear that sound. And I think I was able to fix the problem with the Toyota Tacoma. And it's just this button right here. So this internal air, once you click it, no more sound. Problem solved. Stay tuned for more vids.